Hi everyone, it's Reina with WTI and I'm so happy to show you my cologne. It's the CK1 by Calvin Klein and I love it, especially because I live in Iceland. And this cologne is very useful for hot weather like mine. I use it every day and I can feel fresh all day because of the ingredients, especially the citrus like lemon and floral. I also love that boys and girls can use it the same cologne because it's unisex. So it's the only one cologne that me and my husband can use at the same time because it's unisex. I love that part. And also what to tell you about the border is basic but very practical because it's very strong. So you can take it everywhere. If you want to feel fresh and with a delicious smell and have a lot of compliments, I really recommend this cologne. And that is my point of view.